In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Gmail from creating unwanted events in your Google Calendar. If you've ever been frustrated by unnecessary events automatically showing up in your schedule, you're not alone. This guide will help you manage your calendar more efficiently, ensuring it only contains events you've actively chosen to add. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access Google Calendar. Go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Google Calendar webpage. It's often easiest to just type Google Calendar into your search engine or directly into the address bar, and it'll take you right there. Once you've landed on your calendar, you might see various dates filled with entries, some of which might not even ring a bell. Let's fix that. Once you have your Google Calendar open, the next step is to find the Settings menu. You'll usually find this by looking for the gear icon, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. It acts as the gateway to various control features and customization options for your calendar. Give that gear icon a click and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see a selection labeled Settings. Click on it to enter a new world of possibilities for personalizing how your calendar functions. This is where all the important changes happen. Now you're in the Settings area, likely scrolling through a series of options and wondering what to do next. Here is where we zero in on the setting that's the root of our issue today. Here's the magic trick. In the settings, you want to locate the Events from Gmail section. This is the little mischief maker that automatically logs events into your calendar from your email. Once you find it, you'll notice a checkbox that's currently ticked. This checkbox tells your calendar to create events based on your Gmail emails. To stop these events from appearing, all you need to do is uncheck this box. By unchecking this option, you're effectively telling the Google Calendar to stop adding events from your Gmail without your explicit command. With that box unchecked, your calendar will be free from those unsolicited events cluttering up your organized schedule. You might feel a moment of hesitation, worrying about losing some convenience, but rest assured you're gaining control over what's recorded in your calendar. Once you've unchecked this box, don't forget to save your settings by clicking the OK button to confirm. This action will save your changes and prevent future events from being automatically added without your approval. By consolidating your calendar entries, you're now set to experience a more streamlined organization for your important appointments and meetings. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is no longer synced to those automatic Gmail events, leaving you with a cleaner, more manageable schedule. Keep in mind this is a reversible change, so if ever you feel the need to revert, you can follow the same steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in keeping your digital life a bit more organized.